The Artemis rocket system refers to the Space Launch System rocket, which is a powerful launch vehicle developed by the NASA for its Artemis program. The Space Launch System rocket is an integral component of the Artemis program, whose goal is to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable lunar presence as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. It is the most powerful rocket developed by NASA since the Apollo era, capable of sending the Orion spacecraft, astronauts, and cargo directly to the moon in a single launch. The Space Launch System rocket consists of a core stage, two solid rocket boosters, and an upper stage. At 212 feet, it is the tallest rocket stage ever built by NASA and containing liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen to feed the four RS-25 engines for 8 minutes. Solid rocket boosters. These provided 70% of thrust needed for liftoff, burning for the first 2 minutes of flight. Also known as the interim cryogenic propulsion stage. On earlier missions, this stage performs the trans-lunar injection burn, sending Orion space toward the moon. The Space Launch System has been used for Artemis I, the first uncrewed test flight that successfully sent the Orion spacecraft into lunar orbit and back. Future missions, including the upcoming crewed Artemis II and the lunar landing missions Artemis III, will continue to rely on the space launch systems. In the essence, the Artemis rocket, the Space Launch System, is a cornerstone of the NASA's ambitious Artemis program, designed to propel humanity back to the moon and beyond. Thank you, my viewers.